Hello, in this tutorial I want to train you on how you can insert comments in Java program and also the basic syntaxes that are used in every Java program. Now, in our previous tutorial, we discussed on how you can write your first program in NetBeans. Now we'll repeat the process, but you can view you can watch our previous tutorial and see how you can install NetBeans and run your first program. Right, now first of all, you said that you create a new project. Then this is Java applications. Then next, then after that you'll need to create your Learn Java. Let's call it Learn Java. This is our project name. Then here you can give any name. You can just call it Learn Tech Philo. So this is a group ID, and also the package will be now this learn dot this one dot the project name. All right. Now after that you say finish. After that, you'll have your project here created. You can click on the plus sign, whereby it will direct the source packages, depends, Java dependencies, and so. So you click on those packages, whereby you'll have now this is now your package. On your source package, you right click, then you create a Java class. Alright. Then a Java class here you can just name it as, you can call it main. All right, should be in capital letter. Then here for the packages you can choose learn tech philo. So this is now choose this your package. Right, now after that you can click on finish. Now after click finish, you'll find that the basic tags for Java are created. So these are just comments. You can just delete. Now you'll have now this is your class. This is your class main. Now the class main is the same as the file name. You see, this is main.java. The class name should be the same. The class name should be the same with the file name, and should start with a capital letter. Should start with a capital letter. Right? See, if this one is M, should be in uppercase. Right? Now the class, this class man is just when you're writing your Java program, every code is run inside a class. It's just run inside a class. So you can just use another name for this class. You can have another name for this class. And you said that this name should be the same with the file name here. Alright? Now, for the other thing, for instance, in this example now, we have main class, and so all our codes should be run inside this main class. All our code should run inside this main class. Alright? Now, the other thing we said is you can write PSM, right? Then you press tab. Right, this is public. This is public. Static void main. Right? Then you'll have now in between curly braces now. We'll have now system print line, right? So here you have a dot, you have a dot there, you'll have this is print line, right? Then in between there you can print hello world. So this is our first program. Then here we'll have now a semicolon. Right, now let's continue and write this is and see this is main. This main now, this main is just a method that should be there in your Java program where the code line in between main class are executed. The codes that are inside the main class. So this is main, this is main. All right, this is main method. Method in Java is just the same as function in other languages. So this is just a function, and all the codes inside this method are run or are executed. Right? So you need to know that every Java has a main method and should be there. Main method should be there in your Java program. Alright. Now the other thing is print line. This one now. This one is print line. And the print line is just used for printing out your results. It's used for printing out your results on the screen. Alright. This is just used for printing out your results on the screen. Now you can print anything. It's like hello world. When you click on run, here, then it will take you it will print out hello world. Right, now it should print out hello world. So this is used for printing out your results. It's used for printing out your results on the screen. Then the curly braces. The curly braces are these braces now. These one now are just used to enclose a block of code. They are just used to enclose a block of code. So the first one, we have a curly braces after the main. This is the main class. The main class now. Then inside the main class, we'll have now another curly braces here that encloses this code. Right, now the other thing you need to know is use of semicolon. That after end of every code line in Java, you should have a semicolon. Either your let's say you're writing your variables. Let's say if int x, this is what? This is 30. After that, you'll have a semicolon. Let's say you're writing string y. This is what? This is philo. Right. After this, you'll have a semicolon. So after every line of code, in Java, you'll have to insert a semicolon. Right. Now the other thing about public. So public, this one. Public, it shows that this class is now a public class, so it shows that this is a public class. Right, then for the void, it is used where there is no return value. It is used where there is no return value. So if you have any mathematical calculations and you want to have a return value, then you won't use void. Right, you just say so. That's let's leave that for the next discussion. Right, so hope you have understood the basic tags in Java. These are the basic tags in Java, and we'll be using them every time we're writing our Java program. Right, you can visit our website learntalkphilo.com and read more of these syntaxes and come to understand more of it. Now, the other thing we want to learn today is inserting comment. Inserting comment. So, inserting comment, we'll have two types of comments. So, we'll have two types of comments. The single line comment, we'll have single line comment. So, and the multiline comments, right? Now, a comment is just a comment that just used to explain a concept or a code line. They are just used to explain a certain concept or just a code line, and they are not printed out during program execution. They are not printed out during program execution, right? Now, you can have a single line comment. Single line comment, you'll use the forward slash, two forward slashes, then you say this is a single line comment, right? Then you'll have the other one which is says I am learning Java, right? So this is just a single line comment. Suppose you had 300 lines of code, so you can just insert two forward slashes for every line. So you can just use this sign, a forward slash, then this sign, right? This is a forward slash, and you'll use this sign. Then you'll write now, this is a multiline comment that are used in Java program, right? Then after that, you can write as many lines as you wish. You can write as many lines as you wish. You can write as many lines as you wish, right? Write as many lines as you wish. Then at long last, you'll have now to close with this sign, then a forward slash. Alright, you'll have to close with this sign and a forward slash. Right. Now, this is how you insert multiline comment. This is how you insert multiline comment. You'll have this sign, forward slash with a star, then you close with a star and a forward slash. So that's how you insert comments in Java program. So that's the end of our tutorial today. Next, we will discuss on variables. So you have started going deeper into our programming, and we will be discussing more of variables next time. Then you can subscribe, like, and share to avoid missing our content, any video that we upload. Thank you.